Canvas course notifications. Canvas includes default notification settings you can receive for your courses. However, you can change the default settings by selecting your own notification settings. Notifications are sent to Canvas contact methods as specified in your account. However, you can change the default settings by setting your own notification settings. Let's navigate to the red global menu bar on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Account. A panel will display and click on Settings. Draw your attention to the right side of the screen under Ways to Contact. Here is where contact methods may be saved. However, we highly recommend the default way to contact, denoted by the highlighted star, remains your Stanford email address. This will ensure there is no barrier to entry for specific tools within Canvas. For instance, Zoom or Collaborations, which is tied directly to your Stanford email address. To add additional ways to contact, click on the addition symbol, email address, and add in the display window in the center of the screen. When adding an additional way to contact, a column will appear for the additional email address in Notifications. Next, remain in the Account screen, which we accessed in the red global menu bar on the left side of the screen. Click on Notifications from the menu options. At the top of the page, there are blue information banners which are visible. Please take the time to read them. We reserve this space for pertinent information only. Teaching teams and students can customize account-level notifications and course-level notifications. Account-level notifications will apply to all courses unless notifications are customized at the course level. To customize at the account or course level, under Settings 4, click on the caret, which will display the course options. Select the course to customize individually. When setting notification preferences within the course, the same screen appears. To navigate back to account settings, click on the caret and select Account at the top. There is no way to force notifications to go out to all students. By allowing students to customize their notification preferences, students can choose the frequency of notifications based on their learning needs. This also means it's possible for students to opt out of all notifications for their entire Canvas account or for a particular course. If you intend to communicate with students in the course through Canvas, please make them aware so they drill down to your specific course and customize their notifications. This will ensure they won't miss important course information pertaining directly to your course. The default settings for a course or account are the designated preferences prior to changing notification preferences. There are 4 different types of notifications. For instance, by clicking on the bell within the email column corresponding to announcement, I'm provided with these 4 different notification types. I may select Notify Immediately, Receive a Daily Summary, Weekly Summary, or turn the notifications off. Once a change to the setting is made, the change is made immediately to your account. Daily summary notifications may vary among users, but typically are scheduled to be delivered around 6 p.m. in the user's set time zone. Weekly summary notifications vary among users, but typically will be delivered Friday between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. The notification daily and weekly time summaries are mentioned in this blue information banner at the top of the screen as well. It is important to note that notifications set to notify immediately may be delayed up to 1 hour to prevent users from being spammed with multiple notifications in a short period of time if a teaching team member is making additional changes to that specific content. In addition, there are certain actions teaching teams may take when altering content in the Canvas course. Regarding the creation of reoccurring Zoom meetings, We recommend creating the Zoom meetings prior to publishing the course, or users will receive notifications for every reoccurring occurrence. For more information regarding notifications, please submit a ticket to Canvas Help at stanford.edu. There is no question too big or too small. We have a highly responsive team. Again, that is Canvas Help at stanford.edu. Have a lovely quarter.